Done this before, but I figured I'd just make another quick video since I haven't made one in a while. Updating the ride command and the map software on my 2020 Indian Challenger. So you'll need your USB drive that came with your Indian. I think they all should have one. If not, any exFAT formatted drive should work. And that goes into the port in your glove box on the right hand side of the bike. Let's see, that you would plug your phone into. So I don't know if it matters if you have it plugged in before the bike starts. I don't think I typically do or did last time. So let's see if I can set you up so where you can see the screen here. You don't want to physically start your bike, but just hit the power button. So you plug the USB drive into your port, turn on the power. Well, again, I don't know if it matters if you do it before or what. So the first thing you have to do is turn down the radio, go into your settings. Hopefully you can see this. So settings, all settings, vehicle, this automatic display power down option. You want to disable that. Now, I think general. Let's see here. Update software. And then you just click install. And then it's going to restart when it's complete. Maybe I'll throw in, you have to go to Indian's website, I guess, and download it. So you wait for all this to complete, wait for it to restart. Hopefully it all works. I really don't know what this update fixes, but it needed done. How's an oil change do? And here you got a little software updated. I don't know why that's oil changes do. Anyway. Software is updated. You can just exit out of that. And then you can pull the USB key back out. And I'll see if my next thing will be to try to update the maps. When it restarts, if you're doing both maps and the software, just make sure you disable that power down. If not, the system's going to restart, or it's just going to shut down on you. Alright, the map's still copying over. It was almost 30 gigs of data, so we'll come back when that is ready. Alright, well, we're going to try to update the navigation. So again, You just put your USB drive into the USB cable that's in your right glove compartment, which seems to be easier said than done. There it goes. Make sure you shut the automatic power off. Disable this. Hit your settings button, then your all settings, and then it's in under vehicle, and then at the very bottom it's automatic display power down. You got to disable that. So then general, and then at the bottom it says update maps. So it's right under this update software. And then it just hit the install button and update. Alright, well, for some reason it's still saying my oil is due. So, weird. Anyway, I guess it just does that. And you're ready? And that will be all for this video. So, if you like any of my videos and need help, please like, subscribe, comment. I try to get back to as many people as I can on the comments. But yeah, thanks, and we'll catch you later. Oh, I do have a website now. It's tswgarage.com if you want to go check it out. There's not much really there. The main picture is not really my bike. I need to find a good picture for good spot for a picture. So anyway, subscribe. We'll catch you later. Bye.